Hello guys, I'm playing the Tornado Chaser. We're on part 8 and it appears like we have another tornado. I'm in my base, so there's one at the front. Let's check what radar's doing.
All we're left now, all we're waiting on now is
I'm right here. That's the dark cloud.
Sort the leak in the filter and those lot are
I can't believe I'm not standing right at this bit. I can see it through here. Oh, it's gone. It's gone.
It's not called getting rid of the fish tank, it's just putting it
Wait a minute.
Well, this is great and all, but I'm dead.
But what's going to happen is it's going to be hired, which gives us more space underneath.
Oh, right. Oh my god, it's right over us.
That's what he's talking about, getting more space underneath, hiring it up a bit.
It is over there. I swear it was not over there.
Get it more in the way, which would, in a way, yes, give me back space.
That's scary.
So it would.
Let's check radar.
Hey, Charlie.
Oh, tornado came up.
Charlie, have you ever had?
I have got a team on this.
My head is through the roof.
Yes, have you seen that? Oh, would you want to show you it,
An
guys?
iris.
It's
Look
there.
how unusual it
See
is.
it, guys? We have got a tornado.
Wait, what?
It's on the ground.
Oh, there is a tornado after all.
This is
Should we
the Harlequin
Where's it
one.
going?
I was expecting no tornadoes because of the
Someone.
news
Oh, that's my other
forecast.
iris. Yeah, that's the Harlequin one. You can see why it's.
It's not a good idea not to drive in the tornado. We'll do the right thing. Where are you going? No, no, no! Don't drive. Don't walk in it.
I'm going for the tornado.
It's gonna suck you
I wanna
up.
die.
But,
Kill me.
Oh wait,
when we were
you
there
should have
in
died.
summer,
You just
Over here.
plants and they had them in this
Look around.
kind of
you landed
Over
on the
here.
field. Quick, it's coming. Get in the truck. It's coming this way.
No. I wanna get thrown.
It's gonna head for that town there.
And then I happened to notice right on the top was this long
I wanna get thrown by the
thin stem.
tornado.
Right, I'm gonna count to me. 1, 2.
And I said,
Right.
I'm having that one.
Oh jeez.
And
Did the tornado just increase in size as soon as I did that?
Yes.
face. I didn't notice that.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! That's too close. That's too
I
close.
got in there just in time.
Is this too close?
Oh my god! You just flying over there.
Oh my god, I'm sliding on my butt!
Practically.
I just slid on my butt.
Oh, it's
over
been
the
back to
weekend,
normal.
Between Sunday and today.
What
I have a
the?
pink
swamped
sedan.
people.
What the?
That,
It never
that
got
one,
My car is pink.
that
Oh my
has
god!
tree plants
It's
in it,
breaking trees
in
off.
pot. So that's not out in butter or anything.
I'm on
it's
my
just
way,
green.
brother.
But yeah, practically.
You're gonna drive near that thing. It's really
Going
big.
into the tornado.
It's big. It's gonna kill you.
No, it is. Nah, I'll be fine.
Are you sure about? Oh, it just ripped the tree.
I'll be fine.
Are you
Trust me.
sure? Oh. You just landed right in the town.
Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh my god! What's destroyed?
Into the tornado.
What's it breaking? I can still see you fine. It just ripped the roof off.
Still to be,
Jesus Christ.
I don't think we're going to it this year. I think
Oh
this year
no! It just ripped another roof. What's my?
I don't know if
There.
we're
I can't.
you know, just better plants now or if they'll-
You just missed the.
Oh god,
I
white
think
truck.
we might end up being just all better plants this year, and I think next year we might.
Oh no! Where's it going?
And then just put it on
It's crossing the. It's going on this road. Oh, another roof fell off.
and then the fence.
And it didn't do much damage. Hope it's not an EF5 right yet.
I don't know. I was actually thinking the day, and I thought, do you know where I might set you? It's going to
Oh no! It's gonna head for the base. We have to go. We'll need to take the base. Wait, it's not going back normal.
You can buy wrought iron fencing and stuff like
No,
that.
it isn't. I thought it did look like it was going back normal. We'll need to go head back this way. It's gonna head for. That's where the base is. We'll need to go.
The hell was that noise?
It's a siren. Is that the noise you mean? Oh, I want to pretend that's a ramp.
Oh, let's see the park.
I want to be a ramp. I want to be a ramp. I want to be a ramp.
You know, he's talking about getting
Ramp.
Yeah, it's talking about doing-
Right. Oh, it never
doing a
worked.
seating-
Wait a minute.
seat for it. Right, we're gonna put these back out.
Go.
Right, where are you? Are you next to the base? Where the two
Oh.
buildings are?
Yeah, I'm next to the base.
Yeah. Tell me if it's going this way.
It's not coming anywhere near the base.
What happens if the base gets destroyed?
Nothing.
Or do we have to sacrifice?
I have a pink truck now.
I still got blue. We have got. This is definitely an EF4 tornado. Is it?
And they're a big flower.
Oh no, it's nearly going up to.
So
Oh,
they
this
are
is
very
bad.
lovely. But
It's
then
nearly
he
coming
showed
up.
me this one, he said, what about this one? I just took one look at it. I went,
No, don't run. Don't run.
"Ooh."
Wait, I'm not moving my head. Dude, don't run it. It's gonna nearly gonna be an
Right,
EF5.
I want to get
She wants
thrown.
it. She wants it.
It's nearly coming up to
I want
EF5.
to get
Because,
thrown
as
away.
you can see, it is so different, isn't it?
Almost there, almost there, almost there.
Iris, that other one is
No,
so
that's it. It's
different.
gonna come as an EF5. It could kill you.
It did, he had some colours. So it did.
Oh god, I am about to
One
go
of them
off
in good
the
light
map.
apple. That's the one
Oh,
that has
wait,
the
no,
lovely
you're not.
colour, and you can
Jesus.
see it's
Check one more
coming
time.
out, be out soon.
Hey, come back up here.
Because it's really coming
no.
through the greenery now. So
Oh, no.
yeah, I'm dying to see that one out. But yeah, they've all settled them. They all I noticed that on
We've got a toss that in the bucket. It's not an iPhone cable,
what is it?
but it's close. So picking it up.
Now it is the EF5.
What's it off?
It's just
Let me
a
see.
standard
Young.
pure type plug that's on.
It's an EF5 tornado we're at. It destroyed the pylon and it destroyed the lamppost. Oh, another power flash. Oh, well, that's a lot of damage. Don't hit the lamppost so you cross on them. Oh, wow, look at the lightning. Let's check this. That's really strong instructions. Trees. Oh! Dude, it's not.
I'm going to get flown.
It's not. Oh, it's over. It's not EF5 anymore. How much miles is it? How big is it now?
It's
So it's over?
no, not over.
Oh, so it's not.
It's an EF4.
Back to EF4. Back to.
It is slowing down. It is slowing down. Oh, freaking!
It destroyed the wooden pylons and it crossed where the
I
lampposts
thought
are.
he was doing a good thing the other day, rescuing a bug from the water.
I know
Go
you're
to
gonna.
rescue it.
I can see you're not driving near
Without
that tornado
taking
because I can see on
tail,
radar.
since
Oh, I
you
just
go
crashed
to the
into a
bank.
wooden base and the grass went back to normal because the game had slightly crashed. But tornado should come any minute. Any minute. Wait, I've seen there's something over there. There's a funnel right there.
Their flowers are well fertilised.
I think radar might say it's not going to touch in until it's reached to. Radar said it's on
Up the
like
water out with that, put a new one in,
grade
put
7.
straight out on the
And
plant.
it's still over there.
Is it
Tornado's not touched down yet.
liquid fertiliser for them?
Until that could be a bit.
I'm sure some people will go, what did God, what's she doing with all the water? You know?
It's moving a bit really slowly. And that's all of them. Those there is.
In its head, God love it. That became one of the most world top hospitals in the world
I think it's gonna head right this way.
because up to 1999 it was getting money from Peter Pan, merchandise, the
It's not been
up
touched
to
down yet.
1999 it was getting a certain amount of profits from anything to do with Peter Pan, right? And that
Let's
was
have
how
a
it
sec.
was able to afford to be,
We only got 5 minutes, guys, but
What's his name?
we can still do another tornado chase.
yeah.
Maybe part 8 or part 9 or part.
But anyway,
He's for killing you.
he
There's
put
the
it in
tornado.
his thingy, that Great Ormond Street Hospital.
I'll stand on the bridge,
Yes.
see where is it going to land.
A percentage of the money,
Right,
and that is
right,
how
it's on the ground.
world famous.
It is on the
because
ground.
They were getting
We
all
have
this
slightly
money.
got one.
I can't remember. But he was because of the money, the amount of money, they were getting hundreds and thousands of pounds a year.
The where it's going.
Massive
Let's
amount.
just the tornado will find where it's
They didn't
going.
need to advertise.
So it's right next to town.
Lads, time up.
I don't have
They
that.
didn't need to advertise because they were getting that much money. So you can imagine how much money they were getting from Peter Pan.
I think that was it, guys.
Every time there was a new film made, every time there was new merchandise brought out.
Maybe I will see the
I
tornado
don't like them leggings, they're way too revealing.
next again, let's say.
You keep fit.
I know, but that's what they were
Mean
doing. They
with
were using,
how big
they were,
it's getting.
they were using their
It's
phones
a
to do
really big tornado there, so it's tearing through the pipe.
yeah. So they were able to track themselves that way. Lads, finish up.
And we'll see the EF5. I should be back. We'll be back soon, probably though.